In this video, I am going to solve a problem where we are given the equation of the wheel of a rickshaw. Wheel of a rickshaw is a circle, so this is the equation of the circle. We need to show that this equation, which is the equation of a line, is a tangent to the wheel of the rickshaw. That's what it is. Here is a sketch of the problem. So this is the wheel of the rickshaw, and it's represented by x square plus y square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, this line, which is x plus y is equal to 1, is probably going to be like this. So that's my x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So we need to show that this straight line is going to be tangent to this wheel, that means to this circle. Now, to solve this problem, observe the following. Okay, so if this is the center of the circle, if this line is in fact a tangent to this circle, then the distance from the center to the line must be equal to the radius. So that's the key to understanding this problem, or key to solving this problem. Any line that's going to be tangent to this circle, the distance from the line, distance from the center to that particular line must be equal to the radius of the circle. So we are going to use this property. So to solve this problem, we are going to take 3 steps. Step number 1, find the radius of the circle, that means find this length, which we can do. Step number 2, find the distance from the center to the line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Then in step number 3, we show that the radius we found and the distance we found are in fact equal. So that would be sufficient to show that this line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is actually a tangent to the given circle, or a tangent to the wheel of the rickshaw. To find the radius of the circle, remember the standard form for the equation of a circle is this: x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. This says that the circle is centered at point a comma b with a radius of r. So what we are going to do in this problem, we are going to take this given equation of the wheel, which is a circle, and express it in the standard format, and then we are going to extract the value of r from there, or the value of radius. If we do so, we get the following. Look, x square minus 2x, x square minus 2x, then I add a 1 to make it a perfect square, x minus 1 whole square, and then y square is just y square, and I add 1 to both sides because I added 1 here, and then move this negative 1 to the right. That gives me positive 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So I write 2 as square root of 2 whole square. Square and square root is going to cancel out. That's going to give you 2. So now this equation is in the standard form as this one, right? Now we just need the radius. So we found the radius to be square root of 2. So this is one piece of information. Now we are going to work on step number 2. So let me just put a number here. That's my number 1 step. Then let's say this is number 2 step. In the second step, we are going to find the distance from the center of the circle, which is this one, to the straight line. Now notice the following. I take this equation and I rewrite it here, but this time I introduce y minus 0 whole square. Y square is the same as y minus 0 whole square. That tells me that the center of this circle is at 1 comma 0. So we need to find the distance. Let's call it d. Okay, distance d, which is going to be the distance from the center of the circle, which is, by the way, 1 comma 0, to the line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. And we can find that distance very easily by using the distance formula from a specific point, which you hopefully know. So we just plug in the value of x equal to 1 and y is equal to 0 in the given equation, x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So on the left hand side I'm just going to plug it in, and in the denominator I take the coefficient of x and y, square it, add them and take the square root, and if I simplify it I get d is equal to square root of 2. That leads us to the third step, which is basically showing that the distance and radius is the same. As you can see, d is equal to r is equal to square root of 2. That means the distance from the center of the circle to the line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 is square root of 2, and the radius of the circle is square root of 2. Therefore, this line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let me quickly summarize what I have done. Basically, we are trying to find that we are trying to show that this line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is a tangent to this circle, which is given by this equation. We do it in 3 steps. Step number 1, find the radius of the circle. Step number 2, find the distance of the distance from the center of the circle to the line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, and then show that these two are equal. That is equivalent to showing that the line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 is a tangent to the given circle. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.